Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Snactiv, what I call urban chopsticks, chopsticks for the future. These are called Snactiv. They come in white, as you see there, and black as well. These were on Shark Tank, so it's cool to try them out. So basically, you put them right here on your hand, so you get a good grip. So you're playing your video games with your fingers, like, oh, I want to grab a chip, you use this. So here we have some Pokemon gummy bears. You can do it pretty quickly. And it looks like I was able to catch them all, so that's good. You can even grab, they're a little bit harder, these Jelly Bellies. But they're going to be great for chips, really anything that you don't want to get your fingers on your adapter or your joystick or your buttons, like those Fritos that have all that cheese stuff. But again, they're pretty easy to use. I've used chopsticks before, but basically you just squeeze your finger and they're completely out of the way while you're playing with the handheld unit. They fit like that, pretty simple. You can even do Jelly Bellies like that, or gummy bears, or really chips, or anything else. I think it's really cool. I'm definitely going to use them a lot. Gaming is going to be much easier, and you won't get your controllers all messed up with food particles. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.